Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will learn how to install Selenium WebDriver setup or prerequisite of Selenium WebDriver. Friends, today we will start the new session of Selenium WebDriver. So in this first video we will learn how to create a setup of Selenium WebDriver. So let's start. Friends, first of all, we will learn that what is Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is a collection of open source APIs which are used to automate the testing of web application. Means Selenium WebDriver is a programming interface to create and execute test cases. It supports many browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Safari, and so on. It is easy and fast automation development tool. So the students or the people who are making their career in testing, then this will be good for their skill set. So what language Selenium WebDriver supports? So basically Selenium WebDriver supports Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Python, JavaScript, etc. So this is the basics of Selenium WebDriver. So in summary point, Selenium WebDriver is a programming interface to create and execute test cases. Test cases are created and executed using web elements, object locators, and web drivers method. We will learn each topics as per we will use in our practical session. Selenium WebDriver is fast and interact with the web browser directly. If you are using remote access, then you need RC server to interact with the browser. Each web browser has their own web drivers. Like if you are using Google Chrome or you want to open your application in Google Chrome, then you need Google Chrome driver or Chrome driver. If you are using Firefox, then it is necessary that Gecko driver should be there. If you are using Opera browser, then Opera driver, or if you are using Microsoft Edge, then Edge driver, or if you are using Internet Explorer, then Internet Explorer driver. We are required. So now the main topic is what are the prerequisites of Selenium WebDriver. This is our first session. So in this session we will learn what are the required necessary softwares or setups for our Selenium WebDriver. So in the list of first, we need to install Java JDK. Friends, I am assuming that everyone has Java in their system. If not, then no worry. I will show you that how can you download Java JDK. So open your browser. In a Google, you can type download Java JDK. Press enter and you can see first URL oracle.com/java technologies java downloads. Oracle is the official site, so you can download Java from the original site. Just click and once it will open, you can download your JDK as per your system configuration or as per your latest release. Here, like if you can see, it is Java JDK of 14.0. I have already installed, download and install. So I am not doing it again, but I am showing you that how can you download on your Java. So this is the site where you can download your Java. I will share the link into the description box. You can directly go from here and download it. So once you download and install, you can see JDK in your C drive program files. Once you install, you can see Java folder will be created, and in Java folder you can see two folders are there, JDK and JRE. This is automatically downloaded. So once you install it, these two folders will be created, and each folder what will we do, we will move to bin and set our variable path. So how can we set our variable path? For this we will go to this PC or your system, this PC, and here you will go for properties. In properties you can see advanced setting systems. Click here, you can see environment variables. Click here. Here you can see in system variables, just move down. Here is the path, just click and click edit. Here I have already set my variable path. As you can see that I have set my JDK 1.8.0 162 bin, and similarly for JRE. So what you will do, you just select the path till bin, come here, set your path here, similarly for GRE, and click OK. Once you will click OK, your path will be created. I have already done, so I am not doing it again. So this is the way you can install your Java in your system. Now what will be the next? Next will be the install Eclipse. So let's see how can install Eclipse. Similarly, go to the Google Chrome. I've already installed, so I just in my system it is download Eclipse Mask 2.0. So if you want to download this, then you can install Mask 2.0. Otherwise, you can go for download Eclipse. Here eclipse.org is the officially site. Click here. Once you come here, go to more and click downloads. When you come here, you can see the latest one. It is IDE 2020 JE 2020-06. So if you want to download this ID, otherwise you can go and download what type of Eclipse you want. Similarly, as I have downloaded, it is downloaded Mask 2.0. So if you right and click it, you will directly navigate to eclipse.org Mask version, Mask package. So and click as per your system configuration, that if you have 32-bit, then click here and download. Otherwise you can click 64-bit. Once you will download, you will just this will come into the Eclipse JE Mask. Open it and double click and run. Once you will run, Eclipse will be installed. Now what will be our third point? Third point is install Selenium drivers. So again, go to your Chrome browser and write seleniumhq.com. This is officially site. So once you click on this, you will navigate to selenium.dev. So if you directly go to selenium.dev, that not means that you are going on a wrong URL. This is the official URL. So you just come here, go to downloads. Here you can find all the necessary download files, necessary zip files. Like if you run your automation code through Java, then you can download all the Selenium jar files from here by click this download button for Java. This is the stable version 3.1.4.1.59. So it is release date is 14th November 2018. So you can download it from here. Otherwise, if you want to run your automation script through Ruby, then you can download your jar files here. Or if you want to run through Python, then for the Python, your jar file will be here, C# or JavaScript. So you can find your jar files by clicking download it. I have already downloaded my Java files here. So as you can see, I am showing you here. This is the jar files which I have downloaded. Selenium Java 3.1.4.1.59. This is the stable version which I have downloaded. So this zip file will be downloaded. Similarly, all the jar files you can download from Selenium HQ. Like for Chrome browser, I have downloaded Chrome driver. From Firefox, I have downloaded Gecko driver. From Microsoft Edge, I have downloaded Edge driver. Similarly, for Internet Explorer, I have downloaded Internet Explorer. All the drivers you can get here. Where just scroll down. Here you can see browsers. Click on plus icon and here you will get all the browsers like Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, Chrome, Edge. If you want to download Firefox, just click on documentation and this will show you the latest released Gecko driver 0.2 released. Similarly, whatever release you want. This is for Python, this is stable. So whatever you want, just go to back. If you want to download for another browser like Google Chrome, just click on documentation. Here what type of browser, what type of release you want. This is the all version available, download here. So if you click, it will show you the list of all the versions, and you can click. This is the current beta version, and current stable release is 84.0.4147.30. So whatever you want or what type of version you want, you can directly go and download it by click. If you want to see all the versions, click here and list of version will become. So similarly, you can download your all the drivers, as you can see in my folder, like Google Chrome driver, Edge driver, Gecko driver for Firefox. This is for Microsoft Edge, IE driver. I didn't download for Opera because I didn't try it on that. If you have Opera browser, or if you are using Opera browser, then you can download Opera driver. So similarly, when you unzip it, you can find it as a folder form. Just here, this is the your Chrome driver. No need to double click and run. We will not run it. Just unzip it in a folder. So this is the way you can download your Selenium prerequisites. In next video, we will run our first Selenium script, that how can we launch our Chrome browser or any of the browser through Selenium WebDriver script. Till then, make your setup, and if you have any issue, then you can contact me. Till then, keep practicing and have a great day. Thank you.